Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be just a food haul and a cook with me because I'm going to make some food right now. But anyway, let me show you what I got from Damacena, Souk, Aldi and the food warehouse. And I went to all these places because I needed specific things from them, and I thought I would show you exactly what I got. So I will start with the food warehouse because it's all frozen stuff and I want to put it away as soon as possible. So let's go. I got two types of ice lollies. I got milk lollies and I got bubblegum swirl lollies for the kids. They love ice lollies and it's a nice treat for them. I picked up some plain folded flatbreads, which I'm going to be having today with what I'm going to eat. I'll show you that in a minute. I have got some fish cakes, easy dinner. I got some unicorn McCain potato things that you just stick in the oven. My kids are so boring. And then, if you haven't tried these yet, guys, these take 5 minutes to cook, like 5 minutes in the oven and they're done. And they're so nice as well. These are just French fries, crispy French fries. And they just come out really nice. I got 2 packets of those. So I'm going to put those away and then show you everything else I got. Also from the food warehouse, I picked up some crisps. My kids are obsessed with these crisps. So I got 12 pack for £2. That's cheap. That is cheap for those crisps because normally you get a 6-pack for £2 and then £2.50 for 2 or something like that. I can't really remember, but that's quite cheap for 12. Anyway, moving on to Aldi. These are the things I got from Aldi. So I got 4 baking potatoes. I picked up some peppers. I got some sweet potatoes, some grated cheddar, some mature cheddar, just a block. I picked up some 0% fat Greek style yogurt, some soft cheese with garlic and herbs. I'm going to have that with pasta and mushrooms and it's going to be delicious. And I also got some Jersey milk and some bin liners. And then the last thing I got from Aldi was a big pack of wipes. This isn't actually that much of a big haul. It just took me so long to go to all those places that it just feels like it was a bit bigger than this. I will show you what I got from Damacena Souk. So I got some of this. I've never had this before, but you make kebabs out of it. It's like a kebab spice, Adana kofte kebabs, and it's like Turkish kebabs. And I love Turkish kebabs. I'm missing Turkish food. Like the only place I'd have Turkish food is in restaurants. So I thought if I try this and it's delicious, then win, win, win. So I got that. Also picked up 5 packets of these coffees. You know how obsessed with these coffees I am. These are like my afternoon coffees. I love them. But 3 packets are not for me. They are for my friend Iram. So I got those for her. And then I picked up 2 more for myself. I picked up a cucumber. And then moving on to the meat that I got. I went mainly for the meat. So I picked up 2 lamb sliced, like lamb, what are they called? Steaks. That's what they are. But they've got like the bone in the middle, like a slice of the lamb's leg basically. And I got them cut quite thin because I like a thin steak and hopefully it will be delicious. I've never ever made lamb steaks before, but we'll see how they are. I've also picked up a chicken breast, but I got it sliced into steak pieces because I think they cook so much nicer like that. So I picked up a chicken breast. I also got some mutton mince, which I'm going to be using with this. So that is going to be a meal and I cannot wait for that one. I'm not going to be making that today, but I'm going to be having this today, which is chicken sausages. No, they put chicken sausages on there because they didn't have a price label thing for this. But this is just marinated chicken and I'm going to have that with the flatbreads and some vegetables. And I'm so excited for my meal. I cannot wait. But yeah, that is my dinner for today. Anyway, I'm going to put all of this stuff away and then I will be back to cook with you. So I thought I would show you exactly how I pack up my meat so that it doesn't take much space in the freezer. This is how I do it. So I literally took out as many chicken pieces that I was going to use, and look how thin it is, like literally takes up no space. So the chicken is in like that, and it's so thin that it takes minutes to defrost, literally like 10 minutes. And then I've put my steaks in like this, and they will take minutes to defrost as well. And also the quinoa, I've put it in and then I squished it down so that it's really thin and it will take up hardly any space. So that is all of my meat ready to be put into the freezer. So this is gonna literally be the easiest dinner ever. It's gonna be delicious as well. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my oven on, which I'm gonna put it on to about 180, 190 degrees. Doesn't really matter. And everything I'm doing is gonna go into the same pan. So I'm going to use this pan right here. Pan, what do you call it? Tray? I don't even know. Anyway, I'm gonna put that there for now. And I'm literally just gonna cut up my veg, not my mushrooms because they're already done. And I'm going to just peel my potato, cut them all up, and then put them into the pan ready to put into the oven with the chicken. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so now that all the vegetables are in here, I'm just going to put some spices and herbs on them. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic granules on, just a little sprinkle, like a pinch or so. Some pepper, some salt, some smoked paprika, a pinch of mixed herbs, and a pinch of mint. And then I'm going to put some olive oil on just to cover it a little bit, not too much, just enough. And that's all done. And now I'm just going to get in with my fingers and just coat all of them in what we've just put on. And that smells delicious. And then I'm going to add my chicken. So I'm just going to put it on top of the veggies like this. I'm not going to use all of it because it's just me eating today. So that is all done and ready to go into the oven. So I'm going to put that into the oven for about 20-30 minutes depending on when the chicken is cooked. I don't even know. So it's been about 15 minutes since I have put this in the oven, so I'm going to check on it now. This is what it looks like. The chicken looks good, like it's cooking nicely. The potatoes do not look like they're cooking nicely at all. It smells delicious. So I'm going to put this back into the oven and leave it for another 10 minutes. I might even just take the chicken out and put it into a separate dish. Oh, that chicken looks cooked already. Oopsie, should have added the chicken after, right? Okay, so this is not going to plan. I don't even know, this always happens. I just mess things up all the time. Anyway, so I'm gonna leave the vegetables in for another 10-15 minutes, and then 5 minutes before I eat, I will put the chicken back in. I just checked on the veggies again and they're still not done. I like my veggies to be so done that they're almost burnt. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be a quick meal, because it really isn't. It's literally taken 40 minutes already. Anyway, I'm just waiting for them to be done a little bit more. Then I'm going to put chicken back in for another 5 minutes and then I'm going to eat. And I can't wait. So my chicken has been in the oven for about 5 minutes and I'm going to take everything out now. My veggies are finally cooked after an hour. Oh my gosh guys, I forgot how long it takes to cook these veggies. This is what my veggies look like. Okay.
In the morning, we just leave this working room house, and then in the morning,
Yeah.
we'll be home in the morning. So we'll leave it like that, and then in the morning we can play with it after
That's a good idea. I like that idea.
breakfast.
So I'm just heating up my bread in the microwave now, and I'm literally just gonna have one bread. So this is what my dinner looks like. My veggies look amazing. My chicken tastes so good. I just had a little taste, and I'm just gonna have one bread with it just to cut down on the carbs. So this is what it looks like. I cannot wait to eat it. I'm so excited. I'm starving. Like, I was so hungry when I started cooking. I was like, oh, this is gonna be ready in like half an hour. No, took a lot longer than that. But yeah, I'm going to eat this now. But anyway, that is going to be the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and me failing to cook my dinner properly. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.